Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Today I have 3 high-end dollar store DIY decor items for you. These items are great to be styled on coffee tables, consult tables, and side tables. And guess what? They only cost a couple dollars, so keep watching. So the first DIY is this wooden snake chain. So if you go to the Dollar Tree, you will find these in their craft section. And what you want to do is remove the head and the tail. And then you just want to glue it together. Very simple. For the second DIY, you are going to need a baseball that I found at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need these faux stone moss balls and some flora moss. So this DIY is also very easy. Just glue the stone balls onto the baseball. Once you're finished gluing all the balls, you're going to want to take some moss and fill in between. Now in this clip, I happen to not do the bottom just to make it easier for me to show you guys how to do this and stand the ball up, but you want to fill the entire baseball with the moss stones and then the moss. So here's the final product after you've placed all the moss balls and the moss around your ball. Also, Dollar Tree sells these moss balls as well, so I decided to use those and pair it with the one I made. And here's a simple example of how to style your new moss bowl filler. I absolutely love the texture of faux moss stones and the moss balls together. Now for the last DIY, we are going to need a baseball once again, and you're going to need some nautical rope. And both these items were found at the Dollar Tree. So this DIY is very simple, but turns out really, really nice. You're just going to apply some glue to the nautical rope and you're going to wrap it around the ball. Just a warning, please be careful not to burn yourself with the hot glue. I recommend using those plastic tips to make sure that you don't burn your fingertips. Be very, very careful. Once you're done applying all the rope, I used some tape just to make sure that the rope doesn't unravel, and I glued in the remaining last piece.
That's good.
And there you have it, your beautiful nautical rope bowl fillers. Now I made 3 of these to go in my display, but you can also pair it with the moss ball that we also made in this video as well. I absolutely love how all 3 DIYs came out, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you like what you see, press the like button, give me a comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and hope to see you on my next video. Bye.